that's the break of the game din talaga. That's, we can end with just 2 sets. And I think yun yung isa sa mga biggest lesson namin today. And we know naman, Choco Mucho won't go down without a fight as well. So, ayun, ganda nung laban. It was really a good fight. Entertaining fight actually. In the end, kinapos kami. So, dami din naming lapses, most especially the basic ones. So, yeah, I think that's what we're focusing on in practice tomorrow.
Same question, Jem.
Talagang ang buhay, talagang may nananalo at may nananalo talaga. Pero ang importante, may natututunan naman kami. And paano namin siya maaayos sa training? Agad-agad. Kasi isang araw lang po ang training namin bago ulit maglaro against Petrogas. So, I think normal talaga mangyayari to sa semis kasi lahat talaga gusto pumasok sa finals.
Malaysia, masasabi mo bang nakapag-adjust naman kayo accordingly sa pagkawala ni Tots for this game?
Well, we always train as a team naman. And it's always part of training na niro-rotate din kami lahat ni Coach Sherwin. So, I guess, we miss Tots definitely, but we run as, in a system kasi. So, kahit minsan may nawawala sa amin, yung minimake sure ni Coach Sherwin, talagang gagalaw kami in a certain way sa system namin. So, yeah, we really played our hearts out today. Unfortunately, we lost din talaga. But yeah, we're praying for Toddy today na sana makapasok lang talaga siya sa Korean volleyball. Really? Okay, perfect. I think that's the break of the game din talaga. We can end with just 2 sets. And I think yun yung isa sa mga biggest lesson namin today. And we know naman, Choco Mucho won't go down without a fight as well. So, ganda nung laban. It was really a good fight. Entertaining fight actually. In the end, kinapos kami. Dami din naming lapses, most especially the basic ones. I think that's what we're focusing on in practice tomorrow.
Talagang ang buhay, talagang may nananalo at may nananalo talaga. Pero ang importante, may natututunan naman kami. And paano namin siya maaayos sa training? Agad-agad. Kasi isang araw lang po ang training namin bago ulit maglaro against Petrogas. So, I think normal talaga mangyayari to sa semis kasi lahat talaga gusto pumasok sa finals.
We're praying for Tots. May it be makahabol siya sa team. May it be being part of the one of the teams there in Korea. We're just really happy for her sa ganitong opportunity na meron siya. Kung ano man yung mangyayari, ano man ang ibibigay sa aming sitwasyon pagdating sa Petrogas, we're gonna accept it and give our 100%. And hopefully we give a good fight also to the team na sa Petrogas na mga kalaban naman on Thursday. So, Tots, fighting.
Yes.
Yes. Kung ano man yan, go. Yeah, we're going to Petrogas.
Same question. Dealing with pressure na lang.
Pressure. Well, we've always mentioned naman na pressure is such a privilege. At this point in this league, ang sarap na sa pakiramdam na nakakaramdam ka ng pressure, and ano lang gagawin lang namin, paano namin siya matatranslate into being composed and being able to run plays and perform well. So, yun lang naman. It's such a privilege to be part of this Final Four because we can see even this game is super close. So, i-enjoy namin. I think yun yung one thing na gusto namin this conference. Enjoy namin and huwag kaming masyadong mag-overthink sa mga bagay-bagay.
For Alexa and Gemma, siguro as sa perspective ng player, ito yung first time na natalo ng Choco Mucho. So ano lang din yung masasabi niyo sa naging improvement ng Choco Mucho like throughout the years, yung pag-improve ng game nila?
Sobrang nabibilib din ako kay Coach Dante kung paano siya mag-adjust, paano niya ina-adjust yung team niya sa isang game. And sobrang laki din ng bagay na nangyari sa kanila last year na nakapasok sila ng finals. Sobrang nakakataas ng moral sa kanilang lahat. And ngayon nga, sinabi na rin naman na ata ni Maddie na hindi na sila basta-basta talaga. And totoo naman din talaga. So, yun lang. Happy lang din ako kasi as sister team namin sila. So, at least parehas kaming umaangat. Yan. And mas maganda yung mga pinapakita namin laban sa mga
Well, I guess one thing na more than the skills siguro, after that finals appearance last conference, we've seen and we've felt also in today's game, most especially na grabe na rin yung heart nila and composure nila in the game. So I guess overall, they've been improving mentally, physically, and as a team. So it's gonna be a tougher and stronger Choco Musha for sure.
Finally lang. Yun lang talaga kasi ilang conferences na namin silang pinagandaan pero like parang short kami palagi. But finally, grabe yung pinaghandaan namin, although pangit yung first 2 sets namin, at least nakabawi kami and yun nga sabi ni Coach Dante, teamwork lang talaga and very grateful lang kami kay Lord. Thank you Lord kami ng thank you Lord nila Mars kasi kami nang nagka-cramso lang na-injure sa amin pero hindi niya kami pinabayaan and lumaban din naman talaga kami.
Credits talaga sa teammates ko na pinagtrabahuan talaga namin na may panalo yung game ngayon. Yun, sabi nga ni Maddie, finally, nakaisa rin sa line. Yung tiwala lang din talaga yung nakita namin kanina. Tiwala, puso, yung tipong hanggat hindi bumababa yung bola, hindi pa natatapos. And ayun, wala, kulang na kami sa tao talaga. Yun na lang yung meron kami. Kaya, ayun, credits din sa mga pinasok ni Coach na nag-step up talaga. Kaya, Coach.
Ayun nga, Maddie, nabanggit mo na nakailan tries na rin. Ano lang sa tingin mo yung naging iba sa team na to para makuha nyo na ngayon, kahit down pa kayo ng 2 sets kanina?
Siguro nakatulong din yung naging experience namin nung finals kalaban sila. So medyo nababasa na namin sila. And of course yung mga additions namin, veterans and yung setters. Grabe yung discarte ni Mars kanina. Kung kaya niyang pahatak ko yung mga medals, no, pinapamukha niya talagang ibibigay niya sa akin pero ibabato niya kila Ate Rice. And credits talaga sa mga teammates namin kasi hindi talaga sumuko. And veteran namin, sobrang galing talaga. Sergeant.